Hi, in this video we talk about best food to detox and cleanses and repair your kidneys. Cleansing and supporting the health of your kidneys is essential for overall well-being. There is some natural option to supporting the kidney health and function. Number 1. Water. Staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Water helps flush toxins out of the kidneys and promotes overall health. Dehydration can lead to the formation of kidney stone. A sufficient intake of water helps prevent the concentration of minerals and salts that contribute to stone formation. Water helps to dilute and flush out bacteria from the urinary, which can potentially affect the kidney. Number 2. Cranberries. Cranberries and cranberry juice may help prevent urinary tract infections and support overall kidney health. Cranberries are often associated with several potential benefits for kidney health. The anti-inflammatory properties of cranberries may help reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and polyphenol. Number 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Berries contain compounds that may contribute to the regulation of blood pressure. Some berries, especially cranberries, are associated with a reduced risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. Number 4. Apples. Apples contain fiber and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and may support kidney function. Apples can be a healthy addition to your diet and may contribute to overall kidney health. Apples are naturally low in sodium and potassium. For individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their intake of these minerals, apples can be a suitable and kidney-friendly fruit. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes are high in antioxidants and can be a hydrating snack, contributing to kidney health. Grapes contain antioxidants such as resveratrol, flavonoids, and vitamin C. Grapes may contribute to the regulation of blood pressure. The antioxidants in grapes may contribute to heart health, indirectly supporting kidney health. Number 6. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamins and minerals, including potassium, which can support kidney health. When consumed in moderation, leafy greens are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health. Number 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-potassium vegetable that can be a good alternative to higher potassium foods for people with kidney issues. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and may help support kidney health. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and free radicals in the body. Number 9. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially benefiting kidney health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. Number 10. Seeds and nuts. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and almonds are good sources of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that can contribute to overall kidney health. Thanks for watching.